Just put honey on the toilet paper, and you'll be surprised by the result. An elder who taught me, and today, I'll show it to you. It's a very simple trick, but I guarantee it will be very useful. I'm sure you've never used toilet paper like this before, but when you find out what it's for, I'm sure you'll do it too. To start, we'll need a roll of toilet paper. In fact, we'll just cut a piece. It doesn't need to be too big or too small. About this size is fine. After that, fold it in half. This trick is wonderful, used in fields and farms. You'll be amazed by the result, just like me and my whole family. Then roll it up as I'm doing here. And take this moment to tell me which city you're watching our video from today. I want to send you a very special hug and thank you for watching us. Once done, it will look like this, rolled from one end to the other. Now set the paper aside. We'll need a container. Let's use coffee powder. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee. After that, we'll use honey. Add a little honey to the coffee powder. You can also use honey syrup or pure honey like this. Now mix it very well until all the ingredients are combined, and it will look like this. Put some on your fingers and spread it all over the paper. In this way, as I'm doing. It's very important to spread it all over the paper. I imagine you must be curious to know what this is for. I'll tell you now and you won't regret it. Here I spread it on all parts of the paper, as you can see. Next, take a glass bottle, just like this one I'm showing. It must be glass because plastic can end up melting. Now, with the help of a funnel, we'll add some cloves. Add about 20 cloves inside the bottle. After adding the cloves, we'll add alcohol vinegar. Add enough to cover all the cloves. Very simple and easy to do. Once done, now put the paper inside, leaving one end of the paper in contact with the alcohol vinegar and the cloves we added. And the other part outside the bottle like this. Now just light it. You don't need to leave it in flames, just let it smolder. And do you know what this will be used for? I imagine you're quite curious. What we've just made is a wonderful repellent for all types of mosquitoes, like mosquitoes, bees, wasps, and even cockroaches, for all flying insects, but especially for mosquitoes. Hope you liked today's tip. See you in our next video.